So as you can see, I have removed the screws from the doorknob, and I am going to remove the inner plate. There's the doorknob. I've also removed the screws here on the actual latch. Now, you see here, so that's figure out what's there, and now we'll move on to the second part. Okay, so what I need to do here is just now to have that removed, again, just give it a twist it to the right and give it a pull. Put the screwdriver down. There you go. So give it turn to the right and pull this handle on the right internal out. Look how before you take this out, the latch on, look how it's facing. So that's outside. When I put the new lock in, I want to make sure that this is facing the same way, because when I don't want to lock myself in, but you see, it should always go against the ball should always go against this knob here. Okay, so just remember, it should be facing that way when I put in the new one. All right. All right. One thing I want to point out, this part here has been painted over a few times over the years. And so you want to probably have to, in order to get this out, because it feel like it's stuck, you just have to go around the edges, scrape the paint, and probably not too hard, but kind of make a little indent. You may need like a little putty knife or whatever, but scrape the paint off. And you have to wiggle it, right? And eventually it will come out. So just want to point that out as well. Okay. Now it's time for me to grab the new knob. Okay, so I was able to grab the new lock. As you can see there, it has an internal and an external key entrance. Internal lock. I don't think I need to replace these, because these, I think it should fit right in, but this should be good to go. I don't think so. All right, there you go. And place this on pause. Try to remember how I said you want to make sure this goes against the grain. So there you go. Press it.